Introducing the Insta360 GO 3 action camera. It's my first action camera. Brought it out to Aruba. Gonna be bringing you guys along with me, take some test shots, and providing my review. Let's go. Boom, the Insta360 GO action camera. Let's see what's inside. In the box, it comes with the Insta360 GO 3, the action pod, the charging cable, a magnet pendant, a pivot stand, and an easy clip. And with the form factor being so small, there's a lot of creative things that you can do. I'm really excited to test out and just really experiment with this small camera. Let's go take some shots. Right now I'm recording on the onboard microphone with the Insta360 GO 3. From some of the files that I had heard earlier, the microphone doesn't sound too bad. And it's actually a pretty windy day outside here, so this is what it sounds like on the onboard microphone. This is a test of the microphone on the Insta360 GO 3. Don't I kind of look like one of those minions? It's like one of those minion eyes.
It needs to be yellow and you totally would. You look like a camera geek. That's what you look like.
I am. And from what I could tell, I haven't looked at all the clips that I took, but it looks like the quality is pretty good. I love the wide shot that it gives you. I mean, you can basically capture all of what's around you. As far as my first action camera, I'm actually really impressed. So I want to continue putting it to the test as we go around Aruba on our fun travel day trip. One of the challenges with the Insta360 GO 3 is that because you have this little small camera, you're not able to change the mode on it. So if I wanted to shoot in a different shooting mode, I can't do that. You have to have the action pod with you to be able to have the screen, to change the settings, change what mode that you're shooting in. That is one of the limitations of this camera. But with it being so small, I mean, there's plenty of advantages for that. It's maybe just a trade-off because you're able to have this little small piece of a camera that you can take anywhere, mount it in places that you wouldn't be able to with a bigger unit. I'm having a lot of fun with this Insta360 GO. I mean, for how small it is, the video quality is pretty good. The microphone seems to be pretty good. Just to be able to throw it in my pocket, put it on a little selfie stick, pan around, take it underwater. It's a pretty handy little tool. But now we're gonna test the limits out just a little bit more with this bad guy right here. So we definitely put the Insta360 GO through its paces today. I think it performed really well. The only thing that I would say is maybe a challenge is the battery life and the amount of storage. So I have the 64 gigabyte version. I had probably 2.5 days worth of content that I shot. I hadn't transferred any of the footage over to my phone or to my computer. I found that I was running out of storage space. So halfway through our shoot today, I had to export. It was like an 18-minute long video, so it was a long video. I had to export that, load it onto my phone, then I was able to delete it off of the actual camera. The other part is the battery life. And I do like how the actual camera sits inside the action pod, and the action pod will continue to charge the little camera. It definitely came in handy, so I would say if you have this camera, make sure that you bring an extra USB-C port, maybe even a battery brick charger, so that way you can charge this on the go, so that you can continue keeping up, capturing all the content that you have throughout the entire day.